रहीम पीपीएससी एफपीएससी एमसीक्यूज टेस्ट सीरीज के अंदर कंप्यूटर स्टडीज की जो अहम टॉपिक है वो है आर्टिफिशियल इंटेलिजेंस और क्लाउड कंप्यूटिंग। अहम 30 सवाल। सबसे पहला सवाल, विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग इज अ प्राइमरी यूज ऑफ आर्टिफिशियल इंटेलिजेंस इन द बिजनेस सेक्टर। तो वो है कस्टमर सर्विस चैटबॉट्स। चैटबॉट क्या होता है, आप यहाँ पर इसको चेक कर लें। इसके एक्सप्लेनेशन के अंदर, क्लाउड स्टोरेज अलाउज यूजर टू स्टोर एंड एक्सेस डाटा ओवर द इंटरनेट। A major application of AI in healthcare is medical image analysis for disease detection. ट्यूमर वगैरह के लिए। What is a key advantage of using cloud storage for an organization? Reduced IT cost and infrastructure. Which AI technology is used by streaming services like Netflix or YouTube to recommend content? तो वो है recommendation system. The pay-as-you-go model is fundamental characteristics of cloud computing service. AI is used in autonomous vehicles primarily for perceiving किस लिए इब्तदाई तौर पर हुआ है, perceiving the environment and making driving decisions, ताकि वो ड्राइविंग डिसीजन भी ले सके। Google Drive, Dropbox and Microsoft OneDrive are all examples of cloud storage services. In the context of AI, what is the natural language processing? NLP क्या चीज़ है? तो वो है to enable computers to understand and interrupt human language, और human language को interrupt कर सके। नेशनल लैंग्वेज जो नेचुरल लैंग्वेज प्रोसेसिंग NLP से कहते हैं। Which of the following is a security concern associated with cloud storage? तो वो है unauthorized access and data breaches भी हो सकती हैं, और इसके हाईजैकिंग भी हो सकती है। AI powered fraud detection systems used by banks work by, तो किस तरह से काम करते हैं? Analyzing a transaction pattern to flag unusual activity. The ability to access your files from any device anywhere is primarily enabled by cloud storage. Which AI application is commonly used for filtering spam emails? तो वो है machine learning classification. What does IaaS stands for in cloud computing? किसे कहते हैं? Infrastructure as a service. AI is agriculture can help farmers by monitoring crop health and predicting yields using drones and images. Data redundancy and automatic backups are key benefits of cloud storage. Virtual assistants like Siri and Alexa are powered by a combination of speech recognition and natural language processing. Which cloud service model provides a software application over the internet? तो वो है software as a service, SaaS. इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर एज अ सर्विस वो IaaS होता है, प्लेटफॉर्म एज अ सर्विस वो PaaS होता है, और नेटवर्क एज अ सर्विस NaaS होता है। AI is used the financial industry for algorithm trading. A hybrid cloud storage model is defined as a combination of public and private cloud resources. Which of these is an example of computer vision? A field of AI इसके कहते हैं facial recognition to unlock a smartphone. The scalability of cloud storage means you can easily increase or decrease your storage capacity as needed. AI powered predictive maintenance in manufacturing is used to, तो किसमें इस्तेमाल होती है? Predict equipment failures before they happen. उनके खराब होने से पहले ही वो बता देता है। What is the main purpose of platform as a service? इसका मेन फंक्शन होता है to provide a platform developers to build and deploy applications. Question number 25. Generative AI models like ChatGPT are primarily used for creating new content such as text, images, and music. Which factor is crucial for effectively using cloud storage? तो वो है a reliable and secure internet connection. In education, AI can be used for providing personalized learning paths for students. Question number 28. The term big data is most closely associated with the need for, तो किस लिए इस्तेमाल होता है? Scalable storage and powerful processing like the cloud and AI, यानी cloud और artificial intelligence के लिए. What is the primary ethical concern regarding the use of AI? तो वो है bias in algorithms leading to unfair outcomes. Question number 30, last question. A company uses cloud services to run its entire business operation, including email, documenting, editing, and CRM. This is an example of SaaS.